Let's read this word problem together. There are 27 boys in Mrs. Tew's class. There are 3 times as many boys as girls in the class. Letter A. How many girls are there in the class? And letter B. How many students are there in Mrs. Tew's class? So to solve this problem, we have to break it down first. What do we know about the problem? So we know that there are 27 boys, okay, in the class, and we also know that that number of boys, which is 27, is 3 times as many as the number of girls. So let us try to visualize that further using a model. So we'll be putting B for boys and then G for girls. Alright. So let us first have the bar for the girls. Okay, so 1 bar for the girls. And then, since it says here that the boys are 3 times as many, meaning to say I have to put 3 bars of the same size for the boys. Okay. There. Now, let's try to label the number of boys, which is 27. Okay. Now, we are trying to look for 2 things here. Letter A, the number of girls, and then letter B, the number of students altogether. Okay. To look for the number of girls, we have to know the relationship of the number of boys to the number of girls. Since we can see here that 1 unit of girls, okay, there's only 1 unit of girls and there are 3 units of boys. And we know that that 3 units for boys is equal to 27. So how are we going to find 1 unit? It is simply dividing, okay, dividing the 27 into 3 units. So let me just write here 3 units is 27. Therefore, 1 unit is now 27 divided by 3, which is equal to 9. Okay, so we know that there are 9 girls in Mrs. Tew's class. So for letter A, there are 9 girls in Mrs. Tew's class. Now, how are we going to look for letter B? Letter B is the total number of students. So, total students, therefore we have to add the number of boys and the number of girls. We know earlier that there are 9 girls and 27 boys. So how are we going to find the total? What would be the operation? The operation would now be addition. So let us try to add 27 plus 9. So 7 ones plus 9 ones is 16 ones. So 6 ones will now go here, and then the remaining 10 ones will be regrouped to the tens place. Sorry, the remaining 10 ones will be regrouped into 1 10. Okay, now 1 10 plus 2 10 is 3. 1 10 plus 2 tens. So 36. So there are 36 students in Mrs. Tew's class. that's it.